In this video, I'll show you how to restore the missing price block under product cards in Shopify Horizon theme. As you can see in this example, I'm currently in my sale collection, and if you look closely under every single product card, the prices are missing. However, if I click on one of the products, as you can see right over here, the price is correctly displayed on the product page. So to restore the price block, first we'll log into Shopify admin account. Once you're in Shopify dashboard, on the left side of the screen under sales channels, click on the online store. Then look for your current theme, in my case Horizon, and then select Edit Theme. Once the theme editor loads, at the very top click on drop down, then select Collections, Default Collection. On the left side of the screen under Template, click on Collection. Now look for Product Card and then select Add Block. Make sure the Blocks tab is selected. Now scroll a bit down under Product, click on Price. As you can see, the price is displayed just above the product image. Let's move it just under the product title right here. And finally, on the right side of the screen, you'll find price settings. Generally, you can leave them the way they are, but in my case, let me just change the font size. Under preset, let's click on drop down, then select heading 6, then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, go back to your website and try opening one of the collections. And as you can see right here, the prices are now displayed under product cards. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found it useful. If more Shopify tutorials, please comment my channel. Thank you.